Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Okta account access using backup authentication, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore your Okta account access using backup authentication, start by navigating to the Okta login page. Enter your username or email associated with your Okta account. Once you click Next, if you can't access your primary authentication method, select the Need Help link. You will see options for account recovery methods. Choose Backup Authentication from the available options. If your organization has set up security questions, answer them accordingly. Make sure your responses match the answers you provided during the security question setup. After submitting your answers, you may receive a verification code via your registered backup email or phone number. Retrieve that code from your backup contact method. Enter the verification code in the designated field on the login screen. If the code is accepted, you will be prompted to create a new password. Select a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Enter your new password and confirm it by typing it again. After successfully resetting your password, you will be redirected to the Okta dashboard. Here, you can log in using your new password. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to your IT support team for assistance. You should now have regained access to your Okta account using backup authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.